Whoa, 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 whoa.
Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a dust storm warning for Livingston County in central Illinois, Ford County in east central Illinois, Iroquois County in east central Illinois, Benton County, Newton County, southern Jasper County, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 5:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a wall of dust was along a line extending from near El Paso, Illinois to near Otterbein, Indiana, moving northeast. Expected hazards include less than a quarter-mile visibility with damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour. Severe weather has been confirmed by emergency management. The following impacts are expected: dangerous, life-threatening travel, including the following interstates: I-55 between mile markers 188 and 218. I-57 between mile markers 258 and 301. Indiana I-65 between mile markers 200 and 220. Locations impacted include Buckley, Martinton, Claytonville, Crescent City, Cullum, Earl Park, Cessna Park, Piper City, Flanagan, Morocco, Kempton, Odell, Dwight, Remington, Wellington, Campus, Fogville, Donovan, Forest, Boswell, Wabena, Pontiac, Clinton, Gibson City, and Goodland. This includes US 41 Dragway. Dust storms lead to dangerous driving conditions with visibility reduced to near zero. If driving, avoid dust storms if possible. If caught in one, pull off the road, turn off your lights and keep your foot off the brake. Motorists should not drive into a dust storm. Pull aside, stay alive. Strong to severe thunderstorms are also possible behind this wall of dust. Keep updated with this quickly evolving situation. Tornado watch.